Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Let's have a discussion about productivity. Productivity, you might ask, what is it? What it is, for example, producing more, let's say you were producing boats, producing more boats with the same number of people at a higher rate. Instead of producing 5 boats per day with your 10 employees, you're able to produce 10, and you've doubled your productivity. Productivity is how much more you're able to squeeze out per hour with your employees. That is lowering the expenses for the cost of producing the item, and also, while you're lowering expenses, you're increasing profitability. And companies always look at ways of increasing productivity. If you went back just a couple of decades or so ago, when they first start using computers in the office space, and I guess in manufacturing as well, before they introduced them, they had a certain level of productivity. But after introducing them, for example, I worked in an office environment, and we used to have a typing pool where we would dictate our memos, and it would be recorded by a recording system. The typist would take the recording and type the letter, and then send it up to me the next day for me to double check. If there were errors, I would highlight the errors, and they would fix them. And perhaps it would take me up to 3 or 4 days to get a simple letter out in the mail. Once they brought the computers and put it on our desk, first of all, they got rid of the typing pool. They didn't need them anymore. And we could type our own letters and get them out in the mail within a matter of minutes. Type the letter, put it in an envelope, and send it out. So that's what increasing productivity is. Lowering your costs, your headcount, and increasing your productivity, if not keeping the same level of productivity with less people. And that is one of the concerns about artificial intelligence, that particularly with some of the bots, you can see them increasingly more and more taking customer service jobs. Let's say, for example, if an organization had 1,000 customer service agents, maybe 10 years ago, now with artificial intelligence, instead of 1,000, maybe they only need a couple of hundred to handle the real tough questions that artificial intelligence cannot respond to. That's a dramatic increase in productivity, lowering costs, increasing profitability. So once again, it's being able to produce more per hour, per employee, at the same or lower costs. You can obviously see how this lowers expenses per cost of putting an item out, let's say manufacturing something. And whenever you lower the costs, you're increasing your profitability. You're making more dollars by spending less to produce that item. I hope this wasn't too confusing, but this is an important item and a measure that most companies use, and they're constantly looking for ways to increase productivity so they can lower the cost per output of their product or service. In any case, if you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe to my page. And I hope you're doing well, and I wish you nothing but high productivity, high profitability, and a great life. Take care.